Understanding separable and non-separable phrasal verbs made easier. Separable and non-separable phrasal verbs. Why are some separable and others not? In this lesson, I will explain why some phrasal verbs are separable while others are not. I will provide examples and explanations to help you understand how to distinguish between the two. If the initial explanation is not clear enough, please stay until the end of the video as I will provide multiple explanations to help you understand better. Phrasal verbs are a combination of a verb and a particle, preposition or adverb, that together create a new meaning. Some phrasal verbs are separable, which means that the verb and particle can be separated by an object, while others are non-separable, which means that the verb and particle cannot be separated by an object. In separable phrasal verbs, the particle often indicates direction or movement, such as in take off or put on. In these cases, the object can come between the verb and particle without changing the meaning of the phrase. For example, in the sentence, I'm going to take off my shirt, or I'm going to take my shirt off. Off was the direction or movement. I'm going to take out the trash. Take out is a separable phrasal verb because the object, the trash, can come between the verb take and the particle out. Out is the movement or direction. You will take the trash out of the house. Other examples of separable phrasal verbs include turn off. You can say, I turned off the lights, or I turned the lights off. Others would be pick up and put away. Non-separable phrasal verbs, on the other hand, are those in which the particle cannot be separated from the verb by an object. Looking after is a non-separable phrasal verb because no object can come between the verb looking and the particle after. For example, in the sentence, she's looking after her sick husband. You cannot say, she's looking sick husband after. That doesn't make sense. Other examples of non-separable phrasal verbs include get over, as in get over a cold. Put up with, as in put up with noisy neighbors. Here are 5 of the most common separable phrasal verbs with examples of separate and, in some cases, non-separable usage. 1. Take off means to remove clothing or leave a place quickly. I need to take my shoes off before entering the house. He took the day off to go fishing. The plane will take off in an hour. This case is non-separable. You cannot say, take the plane off in an hour. 2. Put on means to wear. She put her coat on and left the room. He put some music on while cooking dinner. They put on a great show last night. 3. Turn off means to switch off or power down a device or appliance. Can you turn the TV off, please? He forgot to turn off the lights before leaving. The alarm clock turned itself off after ringing for 5 minutes. 4. Look up means to search for information. Look the word up in the dictionary. Can you look the address up for me? I'll have to look up his phone number in my contacts. 5. Put off means to postpone or delay something. I keep putting cleaning my room off. He put the meeting off until next week. Don't put off until tomorrow what you can do today. Non-separable. Here are 5 of the most common non-separable phrasal verbs. They can never be separated. 1. Put up with. This phrasal verb means to tolerate or endure something unpleasant. I don't know how she puts up with her boss's constant criticism. I can't put up with this noise anymore. He has to put up with his neighbor's loud music every night. 2. Get along with. This phrasal verb means to have a good relationship with someone. I get along with my coworkers very well. She doesn't get along with her mother-in-law. He gets along with everyone he meets. 3. Look forward to. This phrasal verb means to anticipate something with pleasure. I'm looking forward to my vacation next month. She's looking forward to seeing her family for the holidays. He's looking forward to starting his new job. 4. Catch up on. This phrasal verb means to do something that should have been done earlier. I need to catch up on my emails. She spent the weekend catching up on her homework. He's trying to catch up on his reading before the exam. 5. Keep up with. This phrasal verb means to stay informed or maintain the same level as someone or something else. It's hard to keep up with all the changes in technology these days. She runs so fast, I can't keep up with her. He has to work hard to keep up with his classmates. Still not really confident? Let's try this. A separable phrasal verb can be separated by its object when the object is a noun. Then it is optional. I took my coat off. My coat is a noun and is the object. Or, I took off my coat. Both of these phrases are okay. When the object is a pronoun, you must separate the phrasal verb. It is a pronoun. I took it off. Okay. I took off it. No, you cannot do this. It makes no sense. When the phrasal verb has two objects, then you must separate it. I put a blanket on. I put on a blanket. One object, so either is okay. I put a blanket on the child. Two objects. The child is receiving the first object. It is receiving the action. You cannot say, I put on the blanket the child. No, because it makes no sense. Non-separable phrasal verbs cannot be separated by an object. It does not have a direct object or object receiving the action. For example, run into. The car ran into the tree. Good. The car ran the tree into. No. Why? Because it is an active verb, and there is no direct action. Nothing is receiving the action. If you can remember these simple rules, it will help you greatly. Let's try a short quiz. Can you separate these phrasal verbs or not? Pick up. Keep up with. Put away. Look forward to. Catch up on. Here are the answers. Pick up. Yes. Keep up with. No. Put away. Yes. Look forward to. No. Catch up on. No. In conclusion, some phrasal verbs are separable because they have a direct object that can come between the verb and particle, while others are non-separable because they do not have a direct object that can be placed between them.
I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please consider supporting our channel by subscribing. We hope you will come to visit us again for more lessons. Thank you for watching.